It's Thursday, the 1st of July. Welcome to the Breakfast Show. I'm your host, Mark Anthony, and you may have noticed that I'm sporting a different hat today. This was kindly sent to me by James Herring, the man behind the Life Behind the Levers Instagram and YouTube channels. There's the logo there, if you can see it. If you're watching this on either of those channels, please be sure to give James a follow. He's a fine guy. Many thanks indeed, James. As you can see, it fits my giant noggin absolutely perfectly. Builders Conference CEO Neil Edwards is waiting in the wings to tell us about yet another bumper month for construction contract awards. We'll get to Neil in just a few seconds. And to the news headlines as well. And we've got a couple of important ones there as well. But first, let's take a look. Where are we? Yeah, let's see which celebrities will have to use even more filters on their Instagram feed to make themselves look good after binging on birthday cake today.
Happy birthday!
It's a happy heavenly birthday to actor Dave Prowse, the body but not the voice of Darth Vader. Happy birthday to comedian and blues brother Dan Aykroyd, to sprinter and long jumper Carl Lewis, and to the unfortunately named Roddy Bottom from the band Faith No More. This has also been a great day in the past for glamorous blondes. Pamela Anderson was given unto this world on this day in 1967, but far more importantly, today also marks the birthday of the woman whose poster adorned my teenage bedroom wall, Blondie's Debbie Harry. Can we all just take a moment? And congratulations also to the team at Gilpin Demolition, who have been named as Morgan Sindall's Subcontractor of the Year for 2021. And I'll apologise now if you can hear any background noise. The builders next door are effectively demolishing the neighbouring house. I wish there was something I could do about it, and I feel bad complaining about it, given that I talk about demolition all the live long day, but there you are. If there are any plant thieves watching right now, listen up, because this is for you. Now, I've been writing about the subject of plant and equipment theft since 1988, and yes, I really am that old. From the very outset, it was clear that the majority of plant theft is the work of organised crime gangs. It's my personal belief, and the belief of those far more knowledgeable than me, that organised crime needs an organised response. And now it's got one. ACE is a new specialist police unit that will specifically target construction plant and agricultural machinery theft. The Agricultural and Construction Equipment, or ACE as they're better known, Specialist Police Unit, will be managed and operated within OPAL, the National Intelligence Unit focused on serious organised acquisitive crime across the UK. The unit will focus on the offences committed by organised crime groups that are part of a series and involve cross-border offending. By developing proactive working relationships with law enforcement, partner and business agencies, the ACE unit will work to reduce the theft of stolen plant and agricultural equipment and maximise the recovery of stolen equipment both nationally and internationally. The ACE National Intelligence Hub team will work closely with the industry, developing positive working relationships to support and promote schemes such as the Caesar scheme owned by the Construction Equipment Association to prevent theft and maximise the recovery of stolen equipment. Detective Inspector Ernie Locke, OPAL National Intelligence Unit, Serious and Organised Acquisitive Crime, he must have a big business card, commented on the new ACE unit. By working smarter and in partnership with law enforcement agencies, government agencies, business and industry, it will deliver a whole system approach in tackling agricultural and construction equipment theft. It's anticipated that the ACE team will continue to grow as their contribution is recognised in this area of criminality. And Rob Oliver of the CEA, let me say it again, the CEO of the CEA, the Construction Equipment Association, is looking forward to a strong working relationship between ACE, the CEA, and the wider construction industry. The industry has been waiting for this initiative to come to fruition, so it's great that it's now in operation, Rob said. We will be engaging with companies and organisations such as Combined Industry Theft Solutions to support the work of ACE in what is an evolving criminal threat. The first in-person meeting of the ACE team, manufacturers, operators, hirers and insurers will take place on the 22nd of July. The aim of the meeting will be to formally introduce the new ACE unit and discuss issues surrounding machinery theft. So, to all you plant thieves out there, you're nicked. I've always wanted to say that. Finally got my opportunity. The Office for Product and Safety Standards, OPSS, has issued a safety alert for a chainsaw disc attachment that has been incorrectly sold for use with angle grinders. The safety regulator says these attachments are not designed to be used together and are likely to cause loss of control that could result in serious injury or even fatality. Reports have been received of injuries arising from kickback caused by the chainsaw gripping the cutting surface and forcing the angle grinder to sharply turn or jump out of the hand of the operator. Anyone that has these angle grinder attachments in their possession are urged to stop using them immediately. They should contact the seller for redress if they believe this product was incorrectly marketed as compatible for use with an angle grinder. OPSS is telling any businesses that sell these chainsaw discs as attachments for angle grinders to remove them from the market immediately. I took a very quick look at YouTube this morning and I searched for the term chainsaw angle grinder, and literally the very first result that I found was titled "The Most Dangerous Angle Grinder Attachment I Have Ever Seen." Be careful out there, people. This does sound a very, very nasty piece of equipment. If you would like some more information on this, if I get to the right place, I think, be able to add a link to the chat. Yeah, if you have a look in the chat, there's a link to more information on that story and what you need to do if you have one of these attachments.
The Miller GT series heralds a new era of unrivaled power and cutting-edge intelligent coupler technology, increasing job site safety, machine versatility, and productivity. It's the added versatility that you need at the value you can afford. To find out more, visit millergroundbreaking.com.
Bobcat, who seem to be launching products almost on a daily basis, have launched a new range of 5 sweepers that form part of the company's portfolio of road maintenance attachments. The new sweepers are designed for versatility and are approved for use with many different Bobcat tool carriers, including obviously skid steer loaders and compact track loaders, compact wheel loaders, small articulated loaders, and even the rigid frame telehandlers as well. The new 5 sweeper models provide sweeping widths from 110 to 215 centimeters, with bucket capacities from 0.22 to 0.44 cubic meters. According to Bobcat, the new sweepers feature tougher, longer life, heavy-duty bristles and are offered with an integrated water tank that is installed on top of the sweeper itself to keep dust down. So many buttons to press this morning.
Sorry to interrupt the guy with the funny glasses, but if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button as it helps our channel. Or, better still, share this video with a friend or a colleague. Thank you. Right. Back to Beardy.
Now, at 6 p.m. tomorrow night, the second episode of our Demolition World Show will land on a computer or a mobile device near you. The show will be available simultaneously on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course on Demolition News, so there will literally be no escape. The episode features our friends Simon Barlow and Ben Griffiths at Rye Demolition, and even though I don't want to give away too much, we have put together a very quick trailer for you. Check this one out.
The Rye Group is one of those demolition contractors that flies below the radar. The company does some impressive work for some prestigious clients, but it largely avoids the spotlight until now. The company has a new mission statement that's geared around the subject of sustainability, so we caught up with the Rye Group to find out more.
I'm going to love you and leave you. As I say, we'll be back 10 a.m. with the usual show, same time, same place. We'll also be back tomorrow night at 6 o'clock with that Rye Demolition episode of Demolition World. But until then, stay safe, look after yourself, your family, your friends and your colleagues. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you very soon. All the best.